by the way. Now, talking about retirement, you might be wondering, how do we care for all our retirees? Well, we have a very unique retirement area, especially those there. This area has the high purchase, low purchase, various substrates as well to accommodate all our retired birds. And when we talk about retirement and old age, sometimes older we can develop some ailments. Well, Sudi back there has got cataract on her left eye. So she needs a
You and me see the
eye
dad
drop
and the
just
chicken
like
one. That's
that.
all that says that. You and me see the dad and the chicken
Very
before,
popular.
right?
And over here, we've got Ethan is our brownie guy. And he is partially blind on both eyes. He can't see his food, so we will have to hand feed him on a daily basis.
Well, nonetheless, retirees they love to stay active and stimulated. So that is why Susie is out here to see all of you. And it looks like it's time for her to head back home.